everyone, and welcome back to my paint studio. I hope you're having a good day today. We are going to try number 2 on this canvas and see if I like this one better. First attempt, nah, that was not gonna do. So I just scraped it all off because it looked like it was going downhill fast. And I have flooded this canvas, it just needs a little torching, and we are ready to get going. So our base coat today, I'll talk while I'm giving that a quick torch. Our base coat today is our Artist Loft Flow White. Our colors are going to be, I have a little teeny bit of leftover. This is Golden's Turquoise Phthalo. And I have some leftover of Deco Art Americana Decor 24 karat gold. I have some leftover, this is Folk Art Treasure Gold Antique Copper. And I think when this leftover was there, I threw some 24 karat gold into it because I had a little bit of that left over too. I'm not sure, but it has a funny gold hue to it that it normally doesn't, and that's what I think is there. It's leftovers. It's not marked. I don't know. This is Artist Loft Metallic Cobalt Blue, one of my favorites. This one is Golden's Nickel Azo, Quinacridone Nickel Azo Gold. That is such a gorgeous tone. And our final color is Artist Loft Neon Pink. And then we have a cell activator today, and that is made with Amsterdam Titanium White. Reminds me I want to do something about this because it got some paint in it on the last one. Okay. So my plan is to put some lines of paint on, not too much, and then smear it so that the design is in the center, maybe pull off some smears to the sides, but have the, the core here with negative space on both sides. We'll see how that works. Last time I didn't smear it right, and that was a bit of a mess. So, first things first, I'm gonna lay down some paint. So I've got my palette knife here. I'm going to dip it in my cell activator, and we're going to give it a try. Don't push too hard. Oh, that worked much better this time. Okay. Last time did not work that nice. Oh, so much better. Oh, now I'm happy. Okay. Catch this image a bit. Oh, that is selling up beautifully. Okay. Let me torch that a little bit. Now we're going to tilt it just a teeny bit. I don't want to tilt it too much. Oh, that's gorgeous. I don't want to tilt too much because I don't want to wreck the cells. Maybe stretch them just a teeny bit. That's what you guys get. So the paint is already thin, so it's not going to move too much. I more just want to clean up like this end here. Maybe I can push some off the end here. It's a little too thick right there. And I messed it up. the cells that move. That's what I did last time, and it messed up all my cells. It's not really meant to be tilted. All right, I think we'll just touch up the end here. A little bit of color. Swipe it very carefully. I'm not worried if I get too much on the end here because I'm gonna push it off very gently. This is what I did last time. I messed with it and it went downhill. Oh, it's so pretty. And I messed with it. All right, I'll figure that out. All right, I think we're gonna have to add a second Shmear. We'll just lay a whole lot of colors going this way. There, less tilting, more smearing. Something at this end too. Just for balance. Colors are very bright. I almost want to do more. Get rid of more of the negative space because the colors are just so gorgeous. And the lacing is coming up so pretty. And the tilting sort of messed this up. See, you can't tilt. It distorts everything if you tilt. The minute you tilt, you're dead. That's what happened last time. I tilted and all the cells destroyed themselves. All right, we're gonna play some more. I like this, but it's starting to, the tilting sort of killed it, so I'm gonna just redo some of this. I know, it was pretty. It'll be prettier when I'm done. Sometimes you just gotta let loose and play some more. Just not happy enough. because it's so gorgeous. Get rid of a lot more of the negative space. Maybe just add a little more. Keep a little negative space, but not as much. I really want to put enough that I can tilt it without having to worry about losing everything. But it seems to be breaking apart anytime I try and tilt it. They're not stretching well. Don't know why, but they're not. Maybe that the paint's too thin. I don't know, folks. I think the consistency is just not quite right for this. I really want to just tilt and see what happens. And some of it's not going to be happy with the tilt, and some of it's going to self-destruct with the tilt, and I think I'm just going to take that chance. Turn this around a minute. Tilt it that way. Oh, I think I will live with the crushed cells because the tilt is looking sort of pretty. Just trying to push a little more that way. Turn it back around. Okay. Let's go back this way. Big Shmear over there is going to go. Oh, now we're getting somewhere. Okay. And I was saying don't tilt it because... But you know what? I'm liking the tilted. Okay. Now I got something I like. Now I can be happy. Alright. Let me clean up my edges. Torch this off a bit. I'll bring you down for a close-up. Now that I have something I like. Hold on. Okay, I'm bringing you down for a closer look. There's some real prettiness going on in here. I am loving all this lacing. I'm hoping it holds and it doesn't like self-destruct or something. Now some of it sort of is semi-distorted and such from the tilting. Stretched and distorted, but that's okay. That's what I was going for. I just decided that I'd rather have distorted lacing than what I had, but this is gorgeous. This up here, that is so shiny. I can't wait to see how that dries. This upper part up here. Like I said, most of the cells up here are sort of distorted and wonky, but I think the overall look is just marvelous. All right, I'm going to put this on the dry table, let it dry. And when it's dry, I'll get some pictures and I'll add them at the end of this video. I hope you had fun and enjoyed it as much as I did. And have a wonderful day. Okay. Okay, we have the dried results for this one. Really happy. There's some super shiny spots in here. It came out really cool, even though a lot of the lacing went wonky when I tilted it. There are some really, really gorgeous, gorgeous spots in here. Loving the way the colors mixed with each other. I love some of these little cell areas. Really, really pretty. So happy. Okay, that was that one. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, leave me a like or a comment. I appreciate it when I hear from you. And thank you so much for joining me on my art journey. Have a wonderful day.